You guys, these party size Cheetos, 2 for $9. That's like so expensive. Their clothes look pretty good. Is that a Wu-Tang shirt? Huggies loves Huggies. Pampers. The rooms honestly are not that big. I like that window, but not so much. The pool kind of takes the whole backyard though, but and then you could come out from the dining room. I guess that's where you could put your like table set if you wanted this house. But so the living room is pretty big though. Well, decent. Fireplace. There's the stairs. Like 7 or how many? 8? I don't know. The fridge is right here. 2 ovens, you guys. And then the stove, I'm thinking it's gas. Microwave. Haven't seen one of these in a while, but garbage disposer. And then the pantry is pretty big too. What the kitchen looks like. Mama needs a big kitchen because she's a cooker. So it's right by the pool. Room over there. Master bedroom. I look a hot mess, but here's the closet. It's our bathroom. Shower, big jacuzzi tub, fireplace that also connects to the front. Yeah, baby. So separate bathroom or toilet. Here's the loft, aka game room. I know, I said the same thing. Here's one room. The rooms honestly are not that big. I like that window, but not so much. Sorry. Rooms. Second room, bigger. Definitely bigger.
No homes come with one.
Oh, really?
What you talking about, the rod?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. We'll have to get one.
I had to get one for mine too. One of my places.
The upstairs room.
A little fancy thing right there. Towel closet. Oh. Here's the other room. So there's 4 rooms upstairs. Okay guys, I look a hot mess or whatever, but there are 4 rooms upstairs and then 1 downstairs, and I'll give you my honest opinion in the car. What's up, you guys? So we just toured that house, and honestly I didn't like it like that, but it's from my mama and my siblings and my stepdad or whatever. But the house looked freaking a hot mess. It was not clean enough to par to even tour. So yeah, but right now we're gonna pick up my little brother up from summer school, and which is wild to me because he's like the smartest one out of the little ones. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, he missed too many days out of the week during school last year, so he failed one of his classes. So summer school. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. Then we're gonna go to Target. What's up, you guys? So we are at Target right now, me, my mother, and my baby. We're gonna get him some diapers because he got a gift card for Target, but also some more money for his birthday. So we're gonna come here and get him what he needs. And yeah, you guys, so about that house, I didn't really like that house for my mom. She's trying to like get a house for my siblings and my stepdad, and I wasn't too fond of the house, or I didn't like it, y'all. The floors, the rooms, nothing. The location was good though. But yeah, so we're at Target now. Picked up my brother from summer school after we checked out the house, and yeah, dropped the kids off at the house, and now we're at Target. These are all the diapers they have. Loves Huggies, Loves Huggies, Pampers, and yeah, these are the wipes. My baby has 2 potty training things already. So you guys, we ended up getting Huggies again, but we went a size up because my baby is a size 3, but his diapers have been getting full quicker, so we did want to size up and got with the triple layer protection. You guys, I'm in the baby boy section. Their clothes look pretty good. Is that a Wu-Tang shirt? Period. Might get that for him. I think I am gonna get that for him. But yeah, Target used to not have a lot of stuff, and Walmart used to not have a lot of stuff for boys either. But I think we've all complained enough to where they're stocking up and they're doing pretty well. So I'm gonna show you guys if I get anything and what I get. He's so tired. You ready for a nap? You ready for a nap, baby? So tired. Okay, so real quick, you guys, I got some sushi. I'm back at home now with my baby, and this is a miso soup, Dr. Pepper, and I got an avocado roll and some deep fried roll that I got. And yeah, you guys, I'm about to grub, and my baby's taking a nap, so I'm about to hurry up and eat and clean. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. What's up, you guys? So me and baby are at the grocery store, and we are shopping for a little couple of things. What did you drop? Hook. So yeah, we're at the grocery store. We're getting a few things, and then we're gonna head home. We're gonna get lunch, and we're also going to get some bananas and some milk for him, and then we'll be back home. You guys, these party size Cheetos, 2 for $9. That's like so expensive, but baby likes them. He's eating them. We opened them already, because that's how he stays calm in the grocery store for us. So that's what we do. So this is what we have so far. Pizza for lunch or dinner, chips, bananas. I love these body armors. Got those. You eating your chip? And then I was craving these ice creams, so we got that. Here's your bottle. So we're not like super grocery shopping right now. Like I said, a few things, and now we're heading home because I have to bring these things in by myself. So okay, you guys, so that was the end of this video of my productive day in my life. Thank you for watching, you guys. Tune in on the next video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.